Some of that green onion for extra crunch. And there you go. There you go. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking. As seen in the title, today we're going to be making some salmon rice bowl. Yes, a salmon rice bowl, perfect just in time after leg day. So if you're interested in that, stick around. After the intro, we get right into it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
And we are back. I just came from the gym, destroyed my legs. You know what I say? And now it's time to refuel. You see me? And no better dish to have than a perfect piece of salmon with some rice and a little green bean. So let's get right into cooking. This, I have some rice left over from yesterday's dinner, so I'm just gonna skip the rice process. You can just cook up your rice, takes 20 minutes, but this salmon itself takes 10 minutes maximum. So follow me. And for my vegetables, I'm gonna chop a thumb-sized piece of ginger finely. Finely chopped garlic, 3 cloves, 1 shallot finely chopped, and about a head or 2 of green onion chopped roughly. 1 tablespoon of honey, and this is the organic honey. A tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a tablespoon of butter, a little chili flakes, and salmon which has been cubed, right? And wash with lime and vinegar and rinse off with some water. And we'll pot dry these. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna lightly season our salmon. A little bit of black pepper on here. About a 1/4 teaspoon, nothing much. Pour over our soy sauce. I'm just gonna rub that in. Now the soy sauce serves as a salt component, so we don't have to add any salt to this, right? Just rub that in. Just gonna leave that in the soy sauce to marinate for a little while. Set that to the side. Alright, I have a handful of green bean already washed and pot dried. Gonna hit that with a drizzle of olive oil. Crank up a bit of salt over them. Nothing much. And a dash of black pepper. Rub that in. Ensure to coat every one of these green beans. That's our green bean. Grab my air fryer and I'm gonna drop my green beans in on one side. Remove the salmon pieces from the liquid and place them down on the opposite side of the air fryer. Now these are salmon nuggets, so these will cook pretty fast. Gonna give them about 7 to 8 minutes. And just like that, we're gonna pop this in our air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 to 8 minutes. So while our air fryer is going, gonna hit this hot pan with a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon, and then straight in with our butter. I'm gonna start off with our ginger. Yeah. Cook that off nicely. Then our shallots. Medium-low heat. So I have a medium-low heat. We don't want to burn this. The aroma is great. And then once looking translucent, we're going to go in with our garlic. Nice. And to that, we're going to add our honey. This is the organic honey, so I like to add the organic honey right in to properly dissolve it. Gonna hit that with some chili flakes to your spice tolerance. The soy sauce from the fish, we're gonna add that in here. And just allow this to cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. Just in time, gonna add those salmon pieces right in the sauce. Still nice and soft, as how I like my salmon. We'll just add our salmon pieces. Some of that green onion for extra crunch. And there you go. There you go. A quick and simple dinner in 10 minutes, given the fact that I had the rice ready. The vegetables are nice and crunchy. Nice and juicy, flavorful. The salmon now, beautiful salmon. The crunch from the sesame seed and the fresh green onion. Listen. That's a sesame. Quick, tasty, healthy meal. You know what I say? So I said, just coming back from the gym, this try leg day, and I deserve this, a nice salmon bowl. Quick and easy. You see it? So there you go. Try this out, quick and easy. As I said, apart from the rice, 10 minutes maximum. Salmon was cooking for 6 minutes. Toss them in the sauce for another minute. So about 7 minutes to get them nice and slightly pink, you know what I say? And they're cut into cubes, so nuggets, so they cook real quick. And there you have it. How to make your very own salmon rice bowl in less than 10 minutes here on Morris Time Cooking. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Try this out for your next meal prep day. You know me, I say quick and easy, coming from the gym, coming from work, tired, frustrated and hungry. This is a quick thing to you. You know me, I say, just have your salmon already clean, cut up and in your fridge. Have some rice. You can throw the rice on the cooker. So at most, if you're cooking the rice in the cooker or in the pot, it's 30 minutes. This is a 30-minute dinner, but because I had the rice cooked already, salmon cooking less than 10 minutes. So there you go.